Now on the count of 3. Wait a minute, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, oh my goodness! Oh, you all look phenomenal. Thank you so much. You look beautiful. Oh my goodness. Have you all had fun tonight?
I'm having so much fun. I mean, I get to be with all my friends, all my new friends.
And it's been amazing. And we're also matching by the
and please make some noise for all of my friends in gold.
Give it up for our friends up here. Hey, let's do one more last dance together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey. I always say it's best to end the year doing a fun dance. Hey! Hey, I see you over there! Are you already over there for the countdown? Let me hear you make some noise! Are you already over here for the countdown? Let me hear you make some noise! Are you already right here in front of the countdown? Let me hear you make some noise! Now over here, are you all ready for the countdown? Let me hear you make some noise! Now I see you all the way back there, all the way down to Main Street. If you all are ready for the countdown, let me hear you make some noise right there! Now, if you all are ready for 2024, let me hear you all make some noise! Thank you all so much. We are so excited. It is almost time. Are you ready? Oh my goodness.
I think they can make some more noise than that. Make some noise!
Give it up.
All right, everyone. The time has come. In just a few moments, we will begin a brand new year together. Please join in as we count down together. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
here with us. It is always a pleasure. You are now officially the first guest of the new year. Put your hands together. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here with us, and on behalf of the entire Disneyland Resort, we wish you a new year filled with joy and adventure and excitement. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, bitrate.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for you too. Welcome in 2024. It's officially 2024. Congratulations to everybody. And let's give a huge round of applause for Minnie Mouse, for Mickey Mouse, for Goofy. Now, wait a minute, I think it's almost time for bed. Yeah, it's almost time for bed. So we'll be back real short, guys. Oh, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, make some room for DJ Goofy, Mickey, and Minnie.
And give it up for the phenomenal DJ Wendy.